Hey, what's up, guys? We're at the Cicada in Fort Worth, and we're about to play with Summit Valley and St. Ivy. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna go eat, and we're meeting Marissa and
Atlas and Fran and all of them.
I got the big call. Have you ever?
Oh, please.
We're never gonna make it to Clay's. I know, for real. Clay, if you're watching this, I'm just going to slide once and I'll be there. I'm sorry.
Am I less of a man for not joining them?
Yes. Here, I'll hold the camera.
I'll hold the camera.
Yeah.
Atlas Cam. Thank you. No, Atlas Cam.
We can go down together. With your legs.
Hurry, the adults are coming.
Who's the adult? Fusion, I'll catch it.
All right, you ready, Q?
Oh yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Post Nunu Camp feelings.
I'm tired. I'm sweaty, and I didn't get good footage. I'm sorry, Rosie. No.
Scale of 1 to 10. How was the performance?
Performance was a 15. 11. It goes up to 11. A 30.
A 30.
It was really good.
I would say energy, sound, I would say 8 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Would definitely watch that again.
1, 0. I hate being on the same stage as this guy.
That was harsh, bro. You have to say none of that.
Second question. Name a woman.
Amelia Earhart.
Oh, come
Nice.
on. You
Name a woman.
Check this out. Please follow us so we can eat.
Hey, Megan Clark, get ready for hibachi. Get ready for hibachi coming soon from a Lord Anthony near you.
Alright, guys, we just got done playing at the Cicada with St. Ivy and Summit Valley. That was an amazing show. Thank you so much for watching this. Be sure to like and subscribe and go check out Buried. I'm gonna link it right here.
Drop a gravestone in the comment section if you like it.
Thank you so much, guys, and
Sky